Hi guys, this is Julio, and in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through the platform Datalix and a cool feature that we have to detect the SEO of the website. A feature that can be very helpful to agencies that offer SEO services and SEO practices. So we can see here the homepage of the platform, and for today's task in hand, the filter that is going to help us out is this one, SEO score. So we go there, click at plus, and we click poor and average as we are trying to see websites that don't have a good SEO score and might be in need of improvement in this specific area of their use. So we click search, and as we can see here, we are listed with some websites that have a poor or average SEO score. For example, we open one of them, and if we scroll down below at this specific section here, you can see the SAO score, which is below 50, and it is not as perfect as it should be. You can also check information regarding accessibility. You have information regarding best practice and performance overall of this website. Cool features as well that we have here. We can check the estimated annual revenue of this website. We can check the employee count. We can check the type of industry and also open job positions, which I'm going to guide you through the next filter that we are going to check. So down below, as you can see, we have also the platform of e-commerce that this website is using alongside with other technologies that we are able to detect. And at this section right here, we can access contacts that are related with the website. We can see managing director, CEO, we can see digital product owner, and we can easily access their email or phone number based on your needs and based on what type of sales outreach you guys use. So this is the first filter that I'm showing you how to check for SEO needs for the website, and the other one that you can easily check if the website is in need of SEO improvements or as looking forward to hiring a SEO's expert is by the filter of open positions. So if we go at open positions, we see here at job title, we can input the type of job title or job openings that the company are looking for. Since today we are looking for SEO, we put SEO as a keyword and also search engine experts, and we click search. And as we can see here as well, we are listed with the website that are currently looking for this type of jobs into their openings. So we can check one of the websites, let's say BuzzFeed, and if we scroll down below to this section here, we can see recent open positions. So as you can see, they are looking for a senior SEO strategist, which is one of the requirements that we were looking for today. So hope this information is helpful for you guys, and looking forward to giving you extra info regarding the platform itself and checking all the cool features that we can offer for you.